Did you know you clicked on this video for a reason? Now, this whole pandemic that's been happening this year has really crushed a lot of businesses, which isn't great at all. However, the only businesses that are really thriving at this moment in time are the e-commerce ones that are really have gotten a massive online presence. You can see Amazon this year have actually just increased the share price by so much. Jeff Bezos has really cemented himself as one of the biggest billionaires on this planet because of the amount of Amazon shares that he holds, and because of the fact that this year it shot up more than ever. Now, the reason it shot up because people for a long period of time could not go the high street or normal shops and buy what they wanted, whereas Amazon, it literally has everything you want and it delivers it straight to your door. So I'm about to show you how you can create your own e-commerce store to sell to other people, and you can use this e-commerce store to actually target it to certain people. And I'll show you a really good tactic that a lot of drop shippers and a lot of e-commerce people, they don't really talk about often, and that is how to get really quick shipping times to compete with these massive brands like Amazon and all these other massive e-commerce stores. So without further ado, I'm not trying to waste your time here. Let's get into it and I'll show you how to start it properly. Right, now I've sat down at the computer. I'm about to show you how to set this all up. So you can go down in the description below and you can click on Shopify. Now, once you click on Shopify, all you're gonna do, you can start a free trial, which is, I believe, 14 days. However, you could also just start it straight away. So the best way to actually do this all for free is to start a free trial and try and get your sales in within 14 days. Now, I'm about to show you how to do it really quickly. So obviously, I'm not going to set up a Shopify account because we've already got so many set up, but I'll show you how to interlink a way to create a fast e-commerce store without selling and shipping out any of your own products. We're going to be selling products, but not shipping out any of the products. I'll show you a company, some different companies actually. I'll show you two different companies because I feel very generous today. And I'll show you how they are helping ship out products to other people across the world. So let's get into it. Start free trial, and basically you put in your email address, your password and your store name, and then you create your store. It takes you to the payment details and everything like that, but they don't take any money out for 14 days, and you can cancel at any time if it really doesn't suit you. So once you're in, you've got all your store set up and everything like that, then you want to go to the apps section over here. So go on the left side of your Shopify store and you want to click on apps. Then you want to, obviously we've already got it installed, but you want to, so these are the two options that I'm going to give you. You can either have CJ dropshipping, or you can have something called Spocket, which is right here. Spocket is only great for if you're selling products to the USA. Now you might be thinking, I'm based in Nigeria. I don't know why that comes to my head, but you could be based in Nigeria, Egypt. I don't really care, to be honest. I'm based in the UK. We ship products to the US. The reason why is because you have fast shipping times, and all you do is you target your advertisements and everything to there. Now, obviously, for Shopify, you need to put money into marketing as well for the drop shipping and everything. Put money into marketing. We're going to be going through on a free masterclass. So this is just how to start your e-commerce, not to start the marketing. We've got a free masterclass on Thursday, the 24th of November. So that's 2 weeks from the day that this video is going out. So basically, from this masterclass, we'll teach you everything from setting up to finding a trending product to actually using this trending product, and actually finding the right ways to market it properly. And we'll go through the best ways for that in a completely free masterclass. We're going to be going through it live. I'm not sure if there's going to be many replays. If I'm going to be really honest with you, doesn't mean we're not going to do it again in the future. However, I'm not going to waste your time, but it's just a really quick offer that I'd like to tell you. However, if you're interested in starting an e-commerce store, we've got some very exclusive offers that are mind-blowing and don't make a lot of financial sense to us, but we decided to do this for a lot of people that are going through everything at the moment in time. There just is the fact that we want to make sure that people can become financially free and have this sort of freedom of not relying on any alternative person to get the money in. So we thought, let's do this for as many people as possible. Usually we sell Shopify websites for, when we do really high level product ones, like custom built and everything, then it's usually looking between $2,000. A lot of times it can go up to $2,000 with everything that we have in place, from the SEO to everything. But we're giving it away for a ridiculous price. So just make sure you tune into that webinar. That's all I'm going to say. But yeah, that's how to do the marketing. For now, let's do the setup, right? So I have this Spocket or CJ dropshipping. Now, CJ dropshipping, I'll show you how to do this dead quick. You basically link it with your store, and once you find a product, so let's say you find a product, like let's say we're going to use these mini glasses, there's a camera on the glasses. That's cool. So let's say we're going to use these glasses with a camera on. All you basically do is, I'm trying to carry on recording, right? All you basically do is click list here, and you select the store that you want. So let's select this one. Let's say we want it as a, obviously we're not going to do it for that category, but let's say you wanted to do like everything like that. Let's do it for that, and basically you click this little tab here and you put in a random price. Obviously these are a decent price, so you want to be creating a profit margin, obviously. So you want to be putting it for, like, let's say $99 or something, $99, $97. And obviously this is just an example. You'd work out the prices so you're making a profit. Got to keep in your ad spend and everything like that as well. Basically you click list it now, and that will go up onto your page, and then you customize the product page basically. So once you customize this product page, you can put all the text in, you can create better images with all the ones that's supplied with CJ Dropshipping, and CJ Dropshipping is completely free. You can go and use the link in the description below to make sure it is completely free, and you can just, once you've got your Shopify set up, you can quickly do this as well. So that's one way to do it. Another way is with Spocket. So I'll show you that again. Again, the link is in the description below to make sure you can get a 14-day free trial. This one you have to pay for, but I'll go into how it's beneficial in a minute. Okay, now we're here on Spocket, right? Now Spocket, bit different. We've not got it installed into this store that we're on about right here. However, I'm going to show you how to quickly do it. So obviously there's other methods you might see online using AliExpress and Overload. While they're great, the shipping times are not great. So this is one of the main problems people have been having a lot, was the long shipping times. Customers won't be going back to your store if you have really long shipping times, and that's just for a fact. They'll rather go to Amazon and everything like that, like I mentioned before. So the way to ensure that you come back to your store is by making sure that there's fast shipping times. Now, I'll show you how to do it. You only want to be targeting all your marketing towards the USA, especially just for Spocket. CJ Dropshipping do decent shipping times between 1 week to anywhere in the world. So yep, if you just scroll through here, and all you want to try and do is find products that are between 1 to 3 days. You want to make sure that, like this one here, you want to make sure they're trending as well. There's obviously different videos on our channel which show you how to show you how to find trending products, and we'll also be going through that in our free we'll also be going through that on our free masterclass again, which I mentioned earlier. The link to that is in the description below. So yeah, this one right here, and all you got to do is add it to your import list.0bviously we need to set it up to our store, to the store that we're actually using in question. However, basically you can start, you got a 14-day free trial, and you can put on 25 products for £25 a month, which is amazing. The best one is like 10,000 unique products, and you've got 10 different premium products as well, and this is up to, but if you want to start out small and just make sure you've only got a couple products on, then you can use Spocket and then start making the money, and the money that you make you can reinvest to get some more different opportunities, which is really, really amazing. The biggest one right here, you can actually source products to Spocket and be like, listen, can I have this product available on your store with a really, and like a US warehouse with a very quick and very reliable shipping time. Now you can do that, or you can do it on CJ Dropshipping for completely free. For completely free. The only thing with Spocket is they can ensure that it has quicker shipping times, whereas CJ Dropshipping usually can't. But if you order it a lot in bulk, if you bulk order it and send it to a certain warehouse in CJ Dropshipping, then you can get faster shipping. So the option is there on CJ as well. Obviously, it's completely free software compared to Spocket. The choice is completely yours. Do these methods to ensure that you don't get loads of people going, where is my product? I've really wanted this product to come, because especially over lockdown and everything that was going on, products were taking like 2 to 3 months to get to people, and it's just not adequate really. You're going to get people leaving bad reviews on your store. You're also going to get people leaving bad reviews on PayPal, asking for refunds, and that will hurt you further down the line. So you want to make sure you get fast shipping in, because that is one of the main problems, and this is how to solve it. And it's best to do once you start up your e-commerce store straight away. So that is the fastest, most secure, and most efficient way to start your e-commerce store today. So thank you all for watching this video. Leave a like if you've enjoyed this e-commerce content, and also comment below what more money making tips would you like to learn about online, like making money online. Let us know, because we can do a video on anything and we'll show you the best ways to do so. We also have a free ebook. If you go in the description below, you can click that and get a free ebook on the 5 best ways to make money online. That should come out today, and it's completely free, no cost to you whatsoever. So go check that out. Subscribe for more content, as like I said before, and thank you all for watching again. I'll see you later.